In this video, I'll show you how to connect your HP printer to Wi-Fi so it's ready to print wirelessly from your devices. Start by turning on your HP printer and wait until it finishes starting up. When the home screen appears, you're ready to open the printer's wireless settings. Tap the wireless icon to open your printer's Wi-Fi settings. Select Wi-Fi Setup Wizard so the printer can search for nearby wireless networks. When your Wi-Fi network appears, tap its name to continue. Use the on-screen keyboard to enter your Wi-Fi password carefully, then continue. After entering the password, tap Connect and wait while the printer joins your Wi-Fi network. When the connection succeeds, the printer will confirm that it's connected to your wireless network. Open the wireless menu again to confirm your printer is still connected to the correct Wi-Fi network. If your HP printer doesn't have a touchscreen or Wi-Fi setup wizard, use the HP Smart app instead. Before opening HP Smart, make sure your printer is in Wi-Fi setup mode so it can be discovered during setup. On many HP DeskJet and NV printers, press and hold the wireless button until the blue light starts blinking. If that doesn't work, hold the wireless and cancel buttons together for about 5 seconds until the wireless light blinks. Open HP Smart, tap Add Printer, and wait while the app searches for nearby HP printers. When your printer appears, tap it to begin the wireless setup. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the correct wireless password when prompted. The HP Smart app will send the Wi-Fi settings to the printer and complete the connection automatically. Once setup is complete, your HP printer is connected and ready for wireless printing. If the connection fails, confirm you're using the correct Wi-Fi password and connect only to a 2.4 GHz network if your printer doesn't support 5 GHz. Your HP printer is now connected to Wi-Fi and ready to print wirelessly from your computer, phone, or tablet. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more helpful tips.